Okay, hello everybody. This is Pradnya from Pannu's Quilling, and you're watching part 4 video of the name painting Mithila. And in this painting, you'll be getting information about how did I did honest quilling on the peacock and how did I filled it. So this is a really very interesting video. Don't forget to watch the complete video. And also, if you're watching this video for the first time, then I would like to tell you that this is a series going on about how to make Mithila painting by using technique quilling. The links are below in the description about part 1, part 2, part 3. So don't forget to watch. अगर आपने मिस करी हो तो आपने काफ़ी कुछ मिस किया होगा, तो प्लीज़ मत करना, बिकॉज इट्स रियली हेल्पफुल. एंड ऑल्सो डोंट वरी, ये वीडियो बहुत छोटा है. दिस इज़ रियली शॉर्ट वीडियो बिकॉज आई नो आई वैल्यू योर टाइम एंड आई नो दैट शॉर्ट टाइम में ज़्यादा इन्फॉर्मेशन देनी चाहिए. सो आई हैव नॉट मेड द लेंथी वीडियो. सो प्लीज़ आप ये वीडियो देखिए एंड डू लेट मी नो कि आपको ये वीडियो कैसे लगा. सो फिलहाल के लिए लेट्स प्रोसेस विद दिस वीडियो. इन दिस वीडियो यू विल नो अबाउट हाउ डू आई make this peacock and how do I fill it, because इसमें काफ़ी ऐसे चीज़ें हैं जो मैंने भी फर्स्ट टाइम की है. सो ये थोड़ा एक्सपेरिमेंटल वीडियो प्रोजेक्ट था, बट आई लव्ड डूइंग इट एंड आई गॉट लॉट ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस, experience. Yes. So yeah, let's move to the video. So here you can see that I have used more punky peacock color quilling strip. This is quite thick strip, and I'm going to do on edge for the feather part. Feather part is really beautiful part of the peacock. Of course the neck portion is also, but इसका feather part मैंने काफ़ी अच्छा सोचा है. So first I'm going to do on edge on that, and I'm going to fill it also. So it's very interesting. So make sure that when you are doing on edge quilling, please आप पेपर को ऐसे ही बेंड मत करो. थोड़ा सा आदत डालो by getting curvature using your pencil or by back side of the paintbrush. It gives a beautiful look. Also make sure that you are very much clean and tidy, because quilling is about neat and tidy also. It looks beautiful. So I've done with the feather part. Now I'm doing the neck part also. So this is a hyperlapse. Now this is a small feathers which I have made with the combination of yellow and blue feathers. So I'll be placing it with the combination. So here I'm making one feather in front of you. Okay, this sheet you can see, brown color sheet, it is called as a cock sheet. ये शीट बैक साइड ऑफ द क्विलिंग स्टेंसिल्स आपको मिलेगी. ये शीट इसके लिए यूज़ होती है बिकॉज इसमें व्हेन वी आर यूजिंग पिन्स ना, सो ये सेल्फ हील हो जाती है. सो इसमें ज़्यादा होल्स पड़ते नहीं. इट डजंट गेट इनटू होल्स. सो दिस इज़ वेरी गुड शीट. सो आई हैव यूज दिस टू मेक, बिकॉज मेरे पास और कोई शीट नहीं थी. So I have just used a cock sheet, which is the back side of the quilling stencil. So my feathers are ready, and now I'm going to place it. Along with it, I have just started with feather, filling up the feather part. और ये सबसे टाइम कंज्यूमिंग पार्ट है. ऑलमोस्ट मुझे 1 day लगा ये कंप्लीट करने के लिए. It's not that easy and it's not that quick, because each and every strip is cut and stuck. So it takes time. So here I have taken some hyperlap movements for you to get to know how did I filled it. So this is a combination of two or three colors of green shade that will give you a peacock feather type look, like थोड़ा मोरपंखी type look. So this is the way it looks, and so this looks very beautiful in real, and the feather part here I complete. Yes, so I need to fill it up perfectly because peacock feather really have a dense feathers. So ये भी मुझे थोड़ा dense करना था, so I have filled it using these strips. So this is how it looks. Now I'm going to just start using this comb. I'm going to start with the neck portion. So I have used this quilling comb. Even I have used a normal hair comb which I have kept aside for the quilling projects. If you are using hair comb, make sure your comb is clean. So better you keep the comb aside, okay? Because I have seen lot of videos and lot of creations where people have used comb but they are using the regular comb. So just keep the quilling comb for the quilling projects aside and use it for quilling only. For combing your hair, keep it different. So here for the eye part I have used just a tight coil, over tight coil, and now I am filling up the back portion using just curves of orange and yellow color. So this is done, and okay, so now you have done watching the part 4 video of quilling name painting Mithila, and I have done with filling up the sun part. I have done with filling up feathers. You have seen the peacock, how I have made. So now let's dive into the last part, that is part 5 of my next video. Till now, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe kar dena, because it is very informative, and all the videos are real, and the information which you will get over here is real and by my experience. So do check out my channel and सब्सक्राइब कर देना, शेयर कर देना, और आपको वीडियोस अच्छे लगे तो प्लीज़ कमेंट कर देना.